Okay, here we go. You ready? We're gonna do a real rundown switchblade.
Yep, I'm ready now.
This thing's on, so we'll see. Okay. Whoa. Did you do the shortcut? Okay, I was wondering because I was like, shit, I thought I was going pretty good. I was like, huh. Okay, I'm not gonna stop because I was thinking to stay on. Whew. That felt pretty fast to me. My gauge of what's fast is some of those little kind of pop-up doubles where I'm jumping them without pulling up.
Yeah.
That felt good. Well, this thing's, oh, now it's off. Wait a minute here. Wait a minute.
What?
Oh. The screen was black, but still going.
Oh.
Well, I got to run in, so we'll see. It turned off, but then turned back on. I don't know. Maybe I should drop it off at Cycle Path. Well, that felt like a good run. Yeah. Oh, I better turn off my camera. Hey! Check out the view. Might as well leave it on. There's Portland, Multnomah Channel. Where's our house? Our old house is over there. That's probably the Fekins or the Fabios or something over there. Nice. Beautiful day. Oh. Is it running okay or is it slow, muddy?
You know, that's my first time ever doing it, so I have no...
Oh.
I was really going slow on purpose.
It's not muddy, there's a little wet spot.
Okay. Because usually I have to soak up the jumps to keep from over jumping them. But the last time I had to pedal in between them to jump them.
Oh, really? Yeah.
If it's running good, I'll come up there. Well, if this thing will stay on, I'll jump all of them for you. Okay, yeah. I'll try that. This thing's on right now. I'll do a rundown Stumpocalypse if this thing stays on. Those guys have never seen that trail before, so. Whew. Woo-hoo-hoo. See how muddy this is? See how it does? Okay. You don't want to go down this, do you? No. You want to go down this? No. Well, let me hit this while this thing's still working. I haven't hit it in a while. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, it just turned off. Shit. Okay, that was good. Oh, I can turn this off. Hey.